The Smart Entry and push-button start features provide exceptional convenience. As long as the Smart Entry remote is within about 32 inches of the driver's or front passenger's door handle or the tailgate, you can unlock it by simply touching the inside of the handle. Note that if you touch the handle when wearing gloves, the system may respond more slowly or may not unlock the doors at all. And if you don't want to take a glove off, you can always just push the unlock button on the remote. Another thing to be aware of is that the Smart Entry remote's range is affected by radio waves from other equipment, like cell phones, laptops, or tablets. So it's a good idea to carry your Smart Entry remote apart from these types of electronic devices. Once you're in the driver's seat, the engine can be started by just stepping on the brake pedal and pressing and releasing the engine start-stop button. There's no need to press the accelerator. The starting process will be completed automatically. To turn the engine off, make sure the transmission is in park and press the engine start-stop button again. In an emergency, the engine can be shut down by quickly pressing the engine start-stop button 3 times, or by holding the button for at least 2 seconds. After leaving the vehicle, the doors can be locked by touching the button on the outside of the driver's or front passenger's door handle. Again, assuming you've got the Smart Entry remote with you. If the Smart Entry remote has been left in the vehicle, the doors won't lock until the remote has been removed. This prevents you from being locked out. This vehicle also has the walk-away auto-lock feature. When it's enabled, you can skip the part about touching the door handle button. It's easy to set up. With the vehicle in park and the ignition on, go to the home screen on the display audio and touch Settings. Then select Vehicle and Keyless Access Setup. Choose Walk-Away Auto-Lock and touch Enable. Then you're set to go. When you exit the car with the remote and all the doors and the tailgate are closed, the car will beep once while you're still close by. And then, when you've walked more than 5 feet away, it'll beep again to signal that it's all locked up. So listen for both beeps to be sure it's locked.